Will I get that promotion this year? Why hasn't my followers count increased? How do I earn more? We are the generation where we track our salary, career growth, and followers. But do we track our health? Because heart disease and diabetes are no longer problems of old age, but they are affecting young people the most more than ever before. What is the reason? It is the modern lifestyle. Lack of physical exercise, eating unhealthy, taking a lot of stress, and having poor sleep. We are so focused on building our career that we often put our health on hold. If we neglect our health today, it is most probable that whatever we earn tomorrow shall be used in paying the medical bills rather than living the life that we've always dreamed of. Hi, this is Nishita, and I am going to start this 75 hard challenge from tomorrow. For the next 75 days, I will be doing 45 minutes of indoor workout, 45 minutes of outdoor workout, drinking 2 liters of water, reading 10 pages of a non-fictional book, and doing 10 minutes of meditation. If you as well have kept your health on hold, join me. Let us both be accountable to each other and let's glow and grow together. Best investment you can always make is in yourself. Bye. See you tomorrow.